Hi there, welcome in. I'm Mariah Peace, expert bookkeeper. And if I had to start all over from the beginning, this is exactly how I would become a well-paid bookkeeper working from home and all of that good stuff. The first step is going to be you need to do training and certification. I recommend the Quickbooks Pro Advisor training and certification. You'll go through a training, you'll get a sample company, and you will also be able to take an exam to become certified. This is going to build your confidence. This is going to help you understand the software, understand what actually the bookkeeping flow looks like. So that is where you're going to spend majority of your time, especially if you're a beginner. It's just learning and getting certified. So that part is completely free. The second thing you want to do after you have your certification and you've mastered QuickBooks, you want to set up your business. So most of us virtual bookkeepers, we are working remotely. We're not working in person with clients. So that means you need to have online invoices set up. You need to have your contracts set up. You need to have software to manage your tasks set up. And you can do most of this inside of QuickBooks, but you need to have a business name. You want to have a logo and branding. You want to be set up very professionally, especially because you're going to be working remotely. You need to have that professionalism in your business to build trust. The last step is going to be you need to start reaching out to clients. I recommend searching job boards, Facebook, Google, Craigslist. I recommend searching these platforms that have people posting, I need help with a bookkeeper or help with QuickBooks. You can find those posts and interact with people. That is the number one strategy my members use to get clients. I love the job board strategy because usually they have a bigger budget. I'm all about working with a quality client over a quantity of clients. I will be transparent. Most of my members hit their income goal with 5 to 10 clients because we are saying no to a lot of clients. I don't want you taking side hustles. I don't want you taking solopreneurs. I don't want you taking people who do not have revenue or who are not ready to work with a bookkeeper. We are working with established businesses who have a budget to pay somebody to get their books where they need to be and continue to maintain them monthly. That is the number one thing people love about working in my program and learning bookkeeping with me is because I'm going to teach you those strategies. Trust me when I say you do not want to work with cheap clients. I have been there, done that. It is never worth it. You want to work with quality clients who are going to be high paying and stay year round. If you think that bookkeeping can be a good fit for you, I want you to try my 3-day workshop. Inside the 3-day workshop, you'll be able to learn bookkeeping. You'll be able to see me do it for a client and also get a 30 to 60 day launch plan so you can get registered for the free QuickBooks training and certification, and you can get those steps to set up your business and get clients. It's totally free and inside my 80,000 member school community. The link is in the comments. Like, subscribe, share if you like this video. But again, I think bookkeeping is a great industry, especially if you want to be a stay-at-home mom or you want to be able to travel or you just want that control over your time and income. I'm hearing more and more and more about how people do not like 9-to-5s. It does not fit with their lifestyle and their time freedom and having kids and all the other responsibilities. So I want you to know there are other ways to make money from home. There are ways, and bookkeeping I like because it's a service that businesses already know they need. You can learn it and get certified and pretty much run everything from a software. That's the reason I chose it. I appreciate you sticking with me till the end of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.